I'm not in school today because I just come on holidays and I have chicken pox. I'm not in school. So look, what's this? Look on my belly. All the ones on my belly. Now this is the back. That's the back. There's loads on the back. And I got a few on my head which you can't really see. I don't know if that was straight. I got a couple on my head. And the sting. Really bad. I got a couple on my face, one there and there. Two up here. And over my eye, two of you, they really sting, and 5 of my legs. Okay guys.